you're looking for a gift that's sure to please the holiday cook this season, a Red Lobster gift card and the promise of a freshly prepared meal out is a perfect way to reward a friend or family member for the hours spent in the kitchen making homemade holiday fare. The cook of the house will be sure to love a selection from Red Lobster's daily fresh fish sheet, like this Atlantic salmon. Red Lobster's fresh fish is prepared by specially trained grill masters on the restaurant's signature wood fire grills. Wood fire grilling brings out the natural flavor in seafood and sears in the juices. That sounds delicious. For those looking to try different kinds of seafood during their special meal out, Red Lobster also serves a wide variety of great tasting seafood like shrimp, lobster, and scallops. And if steak is what your home cook craves, the wood-grilled peppercorn, sirloin, and shrimp is an excellent choice. You can purchase a Red Lobster gift card at any Red Lobster restaurant or receive free shipping when you order online at redlobster.com. I'm Laura Dellutri, and that's my holiday gift idea.